boy Summit. Just kidding. That's from a different YouTube channel. So I'm sorry. Well, it's a pretty big YouTube channel, and you probably don't know me, but I'm still sorry. Yep, just chilling at my house and cleaning up. Okay, I'm gonna show you the back. What's this controller for? I'm gonna show you the side. Oh, I'm gonna show you the other side. Ooh, I wonder. I'm gonna cover the logo. Can you see that? Okay. Now comment down below. Down there. What controller that is for? I'll give you 3 options. Is it A, PS4, B, Wii U, C, Xbox 360, or D, Xbox One, or E, all of the above? Because there are. I probably bet they're Universal or PS3, because I have that. 2 of them I don't have, but I'm not gonna tell you. So, also comment down below if you like cleaning. So, yay or nay. Say yay. So, yay or nay for cleaning. And say yes or no if you get allowance. Because I don't. Which, I don't care. Macy, what are you doing? Come here. Hey, puppy. My cute little doggy. I'll show you her. She's in a cute little winter outfit. Say hi. Say hi. Got white at the bottom. I don't feel like showing that. Oh, she's so cute. Yes. Say hi, people. She's like Summit. What the crap? They're cute. Okay, bye. Yeah, I've been sick. I was super sick. I was throwing up yesterday, and I lost a lot of weight. Not really. I lost maybe 5 or 4 pounds. I'm fine now. I already gained that weight in a day. I weigh 74 now. So I used to weigh 69 yesterday. So I'm all good. I'm all better. And that stuff, it's because of my migraines. Not like it's any medical condition that I'm fine. Well, yesterday I wasn't fine. Hey, okay. Have you ever? What are these? What are these called? What are these called? It's got a gun. No, what is that? What? Oh no, that's a telescope, not a gun. It looked like a gun. That's a telescope. But what are these? It's strawberry. Oh. I really hope I got that. Really hope. Okay, paper towels, because I just spilled a bunch of that liquid on the floor. Okay. Ah, look, good as new. And gross. I did not know there was still liquid in the container. I'm trying not to get away. Yeah, it smells like freaking strawberries. It's 4 o'clock. 4:03. Been home almost like an hour. I don't know. Yeah. Hey, so Pyro Fox, how's school going? I don't see you that often anymore because you moved. So how's school? How's life? How's life? And look, dude, these chips are for you. Eat them. Oh crap! Oh. Did you like them? They're special. I made them myself. Not really. They're Lay's. Not Lay's. They're like great value. Okay, guys. Well, peace out. What? Comment. I was trying to say comment down below. So I was trying to say subscribe and comment at the same time. So comment down below. Also, hit that subscribe button. Let's get 1.5 likes. That's my goal. That's you see 1.5. 1.5 likes. I don't know how that's even possible, but so whatever. Well, peace out. Don't die. Don't do drugs. Stay in school, because that's good for you.